Recently, Google Doc has embedded one of the two best features in their tool section, and exactly in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a use of this to boost your workflow and improve your productivity. So if you are a student or any of the working professional and who has plenty of work with this documents or PDF stuff with plenty of the pages, this video is gonna be a huge advantage for you because I'm gonna show you how you can use this and save plenty of your time. So at very first, whether you have a PDF or any of the document, you have to just upload it here. And how you can upload, you can click on the open section and you can drag and drop here. But the one thing you have to keep in mind is the format should be the doc. Okay, it shall be the word format. But if you have a PDF, you can simply open the new tab and you can type here PDF to doc converter. So basically I have a file which is of 26 to 28 pages. What I'll do is I'll simply drag that PDF file here and will convert it into the Word document. So as you can see, finally we have converted that file. I'll simply download, and what I'll do is the downloaded file, I'll drag it here. So finally, as you can see, we have imported our PDF file in this Word. So at very first, what we used to do is we used to just upload our PDF files in the chat GPT and we used to get summary, but you don't have to even open the chat GPT right now because we have everything here. So just look at this. This is a 26 pages whole file, a tutorial booklet you can say. And if I'll try to read it, it will consume plenty of my hours, right? So now with this feature, this time is gonna just reduce to 2 to 3 minutes, as you can see. So first option which we get here is audio. So at very first you can see I can even listen to this whole tab. Now after clicking on this, let's see what happens.
The Complete Guide to AI in 2026. Tools, Trends, and What You Need to Know. Introduction.
So basically, as you can see, you can adjust the position from this drag and drop, you can see here, and then this is the speed, playback speed. So as it is 2x, that's why the voice is so fast. What I'll do is I'll just make it normal to 1, and you can even change the voice from here. First, let's listen to the page. What text does it consist of?
Artificial intelligence is no longer something we talk about as the future. In 2026, AI is infrastructure. It powers the apps we use daily, the content we consume, the code.
So basically they have given us the audio option by which we don't even have to read anymore. Just imagine someone is speaking for you, someone is reading for you, and this is the best option, right? Now even you can change voice of the narrator. So just after clicking on listen to this tab, okay, so what
The Complete Guide to AI.
Yeah, so at very first I'll just click on the change voice option and you get plenty of the options here. Now I want the narrator to be energetic, so I'll go with this motivator speech and let's see what it gives us.
The Complete Guide to AI in 2026. Tools, Trends, and What You Need to Know. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is no longer something we talk about as the future. In 2026, AI is infrastructure. It powers the apps we use daily, the content.
So as you can see, you don't even have to read it now. What this feature will do is it will just narrate each and everything which is present in your PDF. So as we know that here 26 pages are there, so absolutely we aren't gonna read each and every one of this. We need summary, right? So what we'll do is we'll just go on this audio option and we'll go on this second option, listen to document summary. Easy life, right? So just you have to click on this and have a look at this.
Artificial intelligence is now essential infrastructure, deeply integrated across education, marketing, software development, healthcare, finance, and entertainment. The guide emphasizes that the pace of AI progress, described as an AI tsunami, requires rapid adaptation from individuals and companies to thrive. Major AI labs continue to shape the landscape. OpenAI is focused on advanced reasoning and
so in this way, you can just summarize your whole document in just few minutes. Max to max, it will take up to 2 minutes 21 seconds just for 26 pages, just imagine. So basically, it does depend on the number of pages you have, but this is the best option which you can try it out. And one more option I'm gonna show you. Imagine if you are a student or someone who need to gain one of the best insights from any of the PDF you have, and if it consists of the 200 to 300 pages. or imagine just you have a chapter, right? So what you can do, if you're a student, you can just embed the Gemini here as you have seen the tutorial on the screen, and even you can summarize the whole thing, and even you can create a questionnaire. Okay, so create the best questions and answers from this PDF. So this is the best feature for the students who are preparing from the exam online, and you can see it had already generated the whole question answer stuff which can be asked from this PDF, right? So this is the best option, and even it's even more easy that you don't even have to upload PDF to chat GPT and do plenty of this stuff. Each and everything you will get at the one place. So this is what makes this Google Doc even more effective and productive. This is an ultimate source of AI productivity, you can say. And even you can summarize it from here also. Summarize the whole document. As you can see, even you can try the summary of this too, right? And even you can ask him to highlight the most important parts from this document PDF which can be asked, and even you can add plenty of the extra things too from here. So this is your one of the most important tab, and each and everything can be carried on from here. So I'm sure that this will help you up, so just try this out. And let's try for another thing. Highlight the main points from this PDF. So as you can see, even the waiting time for this is minimal, so less. So this is the best option which we have got in this Google Doc, and I hope so this is even more useful for you too. And even we get one more option here, and that is a voice typing. So imagine if you want to add something extra in this PDF or anything, you can even try this voice typing. Just you have to click on speak, and you can add anything you wanna. You can even try this voice typing option here, and you can literally type. Just see that you can literally type with your voice. That is more awesome, right? So just you have to make sure that your mic is closer to your mouth so that the voice will be clear and the document will be even more clear in the typing. Well, this much for this video. Make sure you are using this feature because it is embedded in this tool section, so many of the people don't even know about this, and this is something more productive and important too. Well, we'll meet in the next video. Till that time, bye.